Oh man, this is our 4th Quick Tip Tuesday and I'm so happy you guys could join us. Typically, we travel alone. It's kind of breaking the golden rule and I get that, and we're starting to make more friends, so that's good for us. So you guys should start seeing a few more people on the channel, but typically, we're kind of out in the boondocks all alone. Like any electronics, batteries tend to go bad. And the worst time for them to go bad is when they're actually gonna go bad. That's Murphy's Law. So what we try to do to mitigate that risk is we carry a little jump box with us. And we're gonna show you what that looks like to get your car started if you're all alone and you don't have somebody else to jump off of. All right, so what we carry with us is this Noco Boost Plus. I think I'm saying it right, N-O-C-O. I'll link it in the description below. But what this does is several different things, right? At its core, it's a battery so you can jump your vehicle, and make sure that when you're shopping for these, you get the right size that can jump the size vehicle that you have. The other cool thing is that this is also a flashlight too, and it can be an emergency beacon on the side of the road, right? So this isn't just for the woods, this can be on the side of the highway as well. Just be warned though, if you're running this for long periods of time, it is gonna kill your jumpability. I think I just coined that term. It's gonna affect your jumpability for the battery overall. The other cool thing is that you get a whole bunch of jumps out of this, and I don't want to set it in stone how many jumps you could get out of this, but I think it's anywhere from 12 to 15. I'll double check it, put it in the comments below. You can charge this via a car charger or in your house via an AC charger. So that's really nice and really convenient. And at any time you can check to see how much charge is on the battery itself, and then I'll show you how to hook this up. It comes with your standard jumper cables on a short lead right here, and then you have a place to plug them in. So far, this seems pretty easy. It's almost as easy as making Pop-Tarts. Once you have them connected, you're gonna come over to your vehicle battery. All right, so you're gonna put black on your negative, and I like to personally put the ground on first because I don't want to become the ground as if this is faulty. So we're gonna ground it out, put it on our negative terminal, and then we're gonna put the red jumper cable on our positive terminal. All right, and once that's on, then you can turn this on. Now this is a smart relay box, so it'll tell you whether or not your battery is even jumpable at this point. So I don't know if you could see it, but we got our little light here. This 12 volt, 1000 amp light came on, and that is telling us that we can in fact jump this battery. Now, read the instruction manual that comes with this particular model, because if you don't get this light, there is a workaround for that where you can jump this battery. And you hear that relay clicking. I'm not gonna jump this battery because it's a good battery and I don't wanna do any damage to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. But at that point, you don't have to sit here and wait for it to charge your battery or anything like that. This has enough juice. You can go start your Jeep or your truck or your vehicle and go ahead and get that battery started. And now you're fresh out of the woods. But as soon as you get out of the woods, I recommend going to an auto parts store and trying to figure out what problem this was, replace the battery, the alternator, whatever that might be. But this will get you out. This will get you to safety. It's a good insurance policy to have, and it's super small, fits under the passenger seat or wherever else you want to keep it. They are a little pricey, but it's a good insurance policy. Hey, thanks for following along, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so we can get these quick tips out to you guys who really enjoy seeing them, and I'll see you next Tuesday.